This is my new second-hand Yamaha Cygnus RS CX or XC racing sport scooter. I bought it and we're just changing the belt. Needs a new belt and new rollers. So working on it, it's coming okay. As you can see, there's some of the parts, and then we have to remove the front nose fairing because it had a little crack in it, and I'm fixing this. And yes, as soon as this Yamaha 125 Cygnus RS XC scooter is ready, we're gonna do a lot of YouTube videos driving around with it, visiting places, fishing, camping, and all of those. So please stay tuned for the following up videos about that. Have a great day. Peace.